Hey everyone, and Happy New Year. I hope everyone's enjoying it. I'm James, I'm your host of Awesome Canadian Homes. And today we're at Princess Margaret $1.5 million Georgian Bay grand prize. Plus, you get 100,000 loonies. Yeah, pretty good, right? I think it's cool. Well, they might not give you the loonies because that'd be pretty heavy. But you get the idea. You get 100G in your pocket or in cryptocurrency, whatever you're feeling today. It's 2022. Let's get into it. Front door. Now they have a home automation system. You can see right here, security system, and it's fully home automated apparently. So you can come in, lights will turn on. If you have your smartphone, you can just do everything remotely from anywhere in the world. If you forgot to lock your door, you're heading to China, boom, just go on your phone and you can securely lock your door right here remotely. Pretty cool. Change the temperature, all that kind of jazz. Lights on, off. You get the idea. Okay, so this is the front door. Looks like you got a double door closet, which is nice as soon as you come in. And on this side, looks like you can put your, I don't recommend putting your car keys here. If you looked at my other videos, you know what I'm saying. You can kick off your shoes, maybe put them under here if there's a mat. And, what do you guys think of this right away? I'm thinking, I don't know if I like the glass. I don't know if I like the see-through idea. That's just me though. What do you guys think? I like the bright white walls. Come on in. You got a mirror. And then to the right, there's a room here. Oh, okay. I was expecting something else. Looks more like a bedroom, but it isn't. It's a little front kind of, not family room, I don't want to say, but kind of like a, I don't know what to, I would make this a bedroom, I guess. It's a hangout place right for now. Okay, I like the furniture in here. You come out and you have a bathroom with a tub. So it's not really a powder room, but it is a powder room with a tub. All right, you want me to dive in closer? Look at this. Kind of mismatched tiles here. What I mean by that is none of the, there's no real connected pattern. I like the wallpaper there. It's nice. The sink is nice. Okay, there's that guest kind of sitting area instead of a bedroom idea. All right, let's get moving. Lots of closet. Double door closets on the way down into your main family room. So here's the family room. Let's take a closer look. And then right, an open kind of concept, you can kind of go in here to your kitchen. I love the looks of this kitchen, gotta say. And I think on the top you have speakers. I'm thinking you can see speakers, I believe. Part of the home automation. They have Sonos throughout. So this place can be rocking with music or podcasts. Or you can listen to me from your ceilings. That'd be cool. Appreciate that. And if I can give a shout out to people that have subscribed, thank you so much. And if you haven't, please do. It really helps. So we got a fireplace and a TV. This looks like a picture frame, but it's a TV. And what you can do with this is when you're not watching TV, you can have artwork on there. So it looks like a picture on your wall. Very cool, right? And then might as well go into the kitchen. 4 stools for your kids or cats. Lots of room here. Lots of windows, and so this will be really beautiful and bright. I don't know the kind of views, but it looks right now, looks like don't have too many neighbors yet. But maybe these will be high rises eventually across, but enjoy it for now. All right. So again, this is a $1.5 million. You got over 3,587 square feet in this home in Cobble Beach. Cobble Beach. I almost sounds like I'm saying Cabo, like Cabo Wabo. But it's Cobble's Beach. Golf course resort community. And this is a gourmet-inspired kitchen. Looks like stainless steel appliances. Very nice. This is kind of the view you'll get when you're washing up an orange. It washes oranges. Wash an apple. And throw it at your kid on the couch. Don't break anything. Yeah, it's pretty bright. I like all the windows. I like this part of the house. Let's continue. Looks like double door into a principal room. Okay. Another TV. Got some, let's take a look. You're in your bed. Oh, got a slide out here. So don't be doing anything that you don't want. If you're going to do something in this bed you want others to see across from you, close those curtains. Close those curtains. All right, looks like a nice kind of deck out there for 4-season living. Let's keep going. Walk-in closet. It's got some clothes for you in case you come naked. Oh, a carpet in the... that's interesting. I haven't seen a carpet in a washroom for so long. I don't know if I ever have. What do you think of that? All right. You got a tub right there in front of a window. I don't know if I'm loving these curtains, but the tub is fantastic having a tub like that. Your walk-in shower. A little step to get in. And your toilet is separate. Looks like there's a little place you can sit here. Getting older, it's nice to have that. Little place for your soap is nice too. Very good. Did you want to see the toilet? Let's take a look. A little bit of a walk in here. Got a nice window. There you go. Easy peasy. Doesn't come with toilet paper, so make sure you use the 100,000 loonies and get some toilet paper for your house. All right, let's keep. So that, I think, is everything on this main level. So the main floor, as I was talking about, the whole house is 3,587 square feet. This main level is 1987 square feet, just to give you an idea. And there's no upstairs, so we shall go down. Downstairs. Let's see what's going on. All right. Lots of open concept room down here. I thought that was a bar, but this is apparently a place you can put your snacks to keep down here in the cupboards. So you can put your ketchup chips, unless you like salt and vinegar. Maybe you like barbecue. Maybe you like Pringles. Put them up here. I don't know. You tell me what you like in the comments. All right. So down here, now they call this a home theater. I have to disagree. This is just, if we're calling this a home theater, like, come on. This is just a rec room with a couch and a large TV. This is a 65-inch TV right here. But I wouldn't call this a home theater. Home theater is something separate, like no windows. It's dark. It's a separate room made for the sound. And I know you have Sono speakers, but come on. This isn't a theater and that's not a home office. But this is what they're calling it. But it's nice. I'm not knocking it, but call it what it is. Come on. All right. You can agree or disagree. Let me know. Sorry, I'm trying to see what was... Okay. This is a plant room. So you put all your plants in this room and shut the door. I like this blue... Is this blue? A colorblind? I think that's blue. Purple? I don't know. I'm looking at a MacBook. Looking at this through a MacBook Air, and it looks kind of dark blue to me. And you got a little place you can play board games right there. The four of you cozy up. Just play some games. All right. Now, I think they call this a craft room. This hallway is a room, and they call it a craft room. Again, I wouldn't call it a craft room, but, you know, this would probably be good for a kid's play area. Or if you clear this all out, just have, you know, I don't know, make it a different type of room. You can even put it like a TV here and have a couch here. But this isn't, I don't know, it's not a craft room. I don't think anyways. Again, home automation screen up there so you can turn on and off lights. You can basically control your house from that little touch screen. And then your electrical room and water heater and all that's probably in there. Okay, let's see what we got. Looks like we got a guest room down here. This looks like a pull-out kind of day bed. And across from here is another bedroom. So 2 bedrooms down here for your guest. And a washroom. Shower tub combo. Cool. All right. Well, that was pretty much it. I'm looking forward to looking at the other homes. This one I wasn't really too interested in, to be honest. You might, I don't know. I just don't really, it's not really speaking to me. It's beautiful, but like I love this area here. The kitchen is my favorite spot. I'd probably spend all my time here. This would be my home office, the kitchen. And I'd hang out here probably quite a bit because you can have your Wi-Fi, be on your you can even work on from the couch. Yeah, I like it. So it's built by Reed's Heritage Homes. To be honest, I haven't heard of them before. And designed by Tara. I think her last name is Ballantyne. Tara Ballantyne did the interior design. And she's probably an awesome lady, and I agree on a lot of this stuff, except downstairs. I just wouldn't, and she probably didn't name it. Like she didn't say, hey, this is a home office, but that's not her fault. So shout out to Tara Ballantyne. Great looking home. Very neutral. But it's so cozy right here. I love that. I like how they have the, behind the couch, like a little, what do you call these? I'm not sure what you call them. Behind the couch kind of tables. I like that. Separates it a bit. Gives you room to put things on from the couch. You know, this might be easier to put a coaster here and a drink there instead of always reaching down over here kind of thing. Put your wine on this table. Or beer if you're watching a game up here. I don't know. But the Sonos speakers throughout is kind of cool. Those are pretty expensive. So to have security, home automation, your Sonos music, everything going throughout your house, it's a nice touch, gotta say. And to control everything from your smart home. If you forgot, if your kids forgot to lock the door, you can check it, and you can say, yeah, they forgot to lock the door so you can go ahead and lock it yourself. So that's kind of cool. You know, if a family member says, "Oh, I forgot something staying downstairs the other night." All right. Let me know when you get there. I'll unlock the door. That kind of thing. And then it's also a camera at the front door, so you can see who is at your door from your phone or any of these touch pads that are throughout the house. You'll be able to see who's at the front door. So that's kind of cool too. All right, I think that's it. I mean, it's a golf course resort community, so if you're into that, it'd probably be a great prize for you to win. So get your tickets. I know there's lots of tickets right now because it's kind of just started, right? And I think one of the early, not the early bird, but I think one of the loyalty prizes, the due date is over for that. That was just on Friday. So, but get your tickets. There's so much more left. You can win. It's just beginning, guys. Let me know what you think. And again, thanks so much for joining me today. I'm looking forward to doing more tours as they come available here. Princess Margaret Lotto 2022. Wow, we made it. All right. Talk to you soon. Have a good day. I'm James from Awesome Canadian Homes.